What's up, YouTube? This your boy Waves Like Butter, and today I'm gonna give you a full 360 shot of my hair. See the back, it's a full spin. The top,
I wanna be so much more. I wanna give them so much more. So I'm chasing so much
sides.
but it's
Got a fresh haircut. So
I wanna be so much more. I wanna
what I usually do is I brush my sides down like this, the top forward. I guess you could call it a beehive I have. I don't know what it's called. But you see the back. Once you tape it up, take that down. I added a little shea butter on my head. Not the yellow kind, it's like a kind that comes in a bottle. But yeah, you got to feel full view of my hair and how it looks.
I wanna buy my mama house. I wanna build my brother out.
So like, comment, subscribe. You know, Waves Like Butter.
I wanna give him so much more.
Silky smooth waves. Today I just added some shea butter to it after yesterday getting a haircut. So
I wanna give him so much more. So I'm chasing so much more. But it's getting so much
Barbara got me right.
Sorry if I said I come but never made it there. It's tough when everybody wants you everywhere. Come along for the ride, but I can't take you there.
So there you have it.
Boys in the aqua stare. I just pretend like they really
Give you guys a full view of my head. So like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions about how I got my hair like this, or what kind of haircut I get, or anything, just leave me a comment or like or share. Shouts out to my man Busy Season. I'm using his tracks now from now on, so shouts out to Busy Season. Shout out to Busy Season. I will be using his tracks from now on. You can follow him on Facebook. Busy Season, BIZZYSEASON. This is Waves Like Butter, and give y'all a look at my head. I guess you said I got a beehive or something like that. I don't know. And I'm not using any special brush. Just like a medium soft brush. No namer, you know. It ain't about the name of the brush. It's not about the product you use all the time. Like I see everybody else saying this. It's all about brushing. So, it's your boy Waves Like Butter. Waves Like Butter signing out. Peace.